Welcome to our guide on how to remove location from past tweets on Twitter using your PC. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open the navigation menu on the left side of your Twitter screen by selecting More. Next, click on Settings and Privacy, then navigate to Privacy and Safety to access your account's privacy settings. Within the Privacy and Safety section, locate the Location Information tab and click on Add Location Information to your tweets. You will then see the option to remove all location information attached to your tweets. Select this option and confirm by choosing Delete when prompted by Twitter. By removing location information from your past tweets, you can enhance your privacy and control the visibility of your location data on Twitter. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to remove location from past tweets on Twitter using your PC. Take control of your privacy and manage your location information effectively on Twitter by following these simple steps. Enjoy a more secure and personalized Twitter experience by adjusting your location settings to suit your preferences.